PET stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. WEG group, it's down 13 cents. I say down in a sense of like a whole 3 days in, but yeah, 15% up is not bad at all whatsoever. What am I talking? I made more videos than anyone else in this space, anyone in this space like this. 39,000 videos made, all documented by the way, and you can see what my idea was looking like if my drawings do want to show up. Yeah, so previously it was a short side, and I'm not even trying to hide this, and ultimately we took the lows out, but after going a little bit higher and filling in a little gap, which is totally fair. Never took no trades there because one, no rules got met, and two, I just abandoned it. You know, once it started picking up I found better tickers. But yeah, looking at this, unless I see a full-on freaking break about 30 cents, I'm not looking to take this thing up whatsoever. Now, you could be like, how the heck do you know this? Well, maybe because I've done 39,000 videos, just maybe, my discretion. But if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's free newsletter.